Here we will go into the Lidui Park to see this splendid human project. Wait a moment. This is inside of the park. The DuJiangYan Irrigation System, you can see here, this is the World Heritage. Just 5 in Sichuan province, and this is one with the Qingcheng Mountain. And this is very beautiful park. Thank you. And you can see lots of the tourists come to here. As I said just now, it has 2,200 years history and built in the Qing dynasty. In that years, there is flood issues, and in the raining time, the flood will damage the fields and kill the people. So it's very unpleasant for the kingdom of the Qing. You know, in the Qing kingdom, it want to overcome other countries. So, you know, the Chengdu Plain is also called the plain with milk and honey. Why? Because there is a DuJiangYan irrigation system. After this irrigation system built, it irrigates the flourish of the fields, and there is a good harvest for the peasant. So it's a very, very abundant supply for the Qing kingdom armies, and also flourished the peoples lived here. Wonderful. Where we're going? We will go to Baopingkou first. 2 million people here. Joyce, do you know the DuJiangYan irrigation system?
Yeah.
I can tell you the reason. And
I know.
You know the principle. And just 2,000 years before, the Ming River has the flood issues, and governor in Chengdu, whose name is Li Bing, with her son, built this splendid project. The principle is very simple. It just built a dam in the middle of the. Here is Shipu railway station. Where we are going today? DuJiangYan Irrigation. DuJiangYan Irrigation system. Yes, it's also a Lidui Park. Here, this is Shipu railway station, the suburb of the Chengdu. Here we are waiting for the railway. Today we will go to the Lidui Park, which is the DuJiangYan Irrigation System project. So many people here, so we are waiting for the railway. So incredible. This is the suburb of the Chengdu, and this is branch 9 from Chengdu to DuJiangYan. Maybe 50 kilometers away from. So we need to take a 30 minutes journey from Shipu railway station to the DuJiangYan railway station. So still waiting for the railway. Currently this is slow. In that way is the subway. That way is the subway. And this way is a railway. So very interesting. This is a complex of the railway and the subway stations, and the passengers can easily transfer here. This is the angle of the second subway station, and passengers can take the subway and transfer the railway from here to DuJiangYan. As you know, DuJiangYan is a very, very famous World Heritage. You know,
I want to see the same station have different train.
yeah, two different end station.
Each train.
Train, yeah.
Why?
Yeah, we are discussing what's the difference of the
What's the difference of the subway and the railway?
train, bullet train. We take the bullet train, it's more powerful, and normally
More powerful.
normally the subway has only 60
No,
kilometers
I don't
speed.
agree.
Okay, so anyone has any suggestions, please tell me. And
Why 我们的车还不来
the train is already approaching here, and yeah, looks like only 4 carriages. This is
The railway is coming.
one of the bullet train. This is a locomotive, and where is our carriage? The second one, number 6, number 2 is the carriage. Yeah, this is
My information is the second train.
yeah. Let's go.
And the second
Yes, the second one. Our carriage is here, and it's the electric powered railway. Let's see, go inside. Ship railway station to the Lidui Park. How is your feeling today? Wonderful. Yeah, it's very nice. Railway journey again. But this is our carriage. A lot of the people still has no seat and can only stand. Okay, no problem. Are you drinking water? Are you thirsty?
Yeah, I'm so thirsty.
It's very hard to catch a train every time. But
I want to get ice cream.
no problem. Later, 2 ice cream.
Yeah.
Okay, that's right. I also.
Today is so hot.
The journey is very nice, and the carriage is very pleasant and cozy. And today is very hot. The temperature is about 33 Celsius degrees. So hot. So we will go to the DuJiangYan Irrigation system to see the wonderful irrigation projects. Let's see later. And I can see no one can know more about for the DuJiangYan irrigation than me. I'm seriously.